Hey everyone, matcha has exploded in popularity. You see it everywhere, as tea, lattes, shots, and even in cakes and pastries. But what actually happens to your body if you drink matcha tea every single day? Is it really good for your skin, brain, heart, and weight loss? Let's break down the science. 1. Matcha is loaded with antioxidants. Matcha comes from the same plant as green tea, but it's grown differently. About 20 to 30 days before harvest, the tea leaves are shaded. This boosts chlorophyll and amino acids, giving matcha its deep green color and powerful nutrition. After harvesting, the stems and veins are removed, and the leaves are ground into a fine powder. Because you consume the entire leaf, matcha contains up to 137 times more antioxidants than regular green tea. Antioxidants fight free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells, weaken immunity, speed up aging, and increase inflammation. By reducing this damage, matcha helps protect your body at a cellular level. 2. Better, glowing skin. Matcha's antioxidants help protect your skin from UV damage and pollution. They support skin cell repair, improve blood circulation, and reduce oxidative stress. The result? Healthier skin, better texture, and a natural glow. 3. Supports liver health. Drinking matcha regularly has been shown to protect the liver and kidneys from damage. Green tea studies also suggest a lower risk of liver disease, and matcha contains similar or even stronger compounds. 4. May help prevent cancer. Matcha contains a powerful antioxidant called EGCG. Studies suggest EGCG may help slow the growth of certain cancer cells and reduce cancer risk, especially prostate, skin, and lung cancers. While it's not a cure, matcha may support your body's natural defense systems. 5. Boosts brain function. Matcha improves attention, memory, and reaction time. The caffeine in matcha increases focus, while another compound helps prevent energy crashes. This means sharper thinking without the jittery feeling you get from coffee. 6. Supports heart health. Green tea has been shown to lower bad LDL cholesterol and reduce stroke risk. Since matcha contains even higher concentrations of these compounds, it may offer similar or greater heart protective benefits. 7. Helps with weight loss. Matcha boosts metabolism and fat burning. Studies show green tea increases fat oxidation during exercise, and matcha's EGCG enhances this effect even more. It also promotes a feeling of fullness,